Changing rear brake pads on a KRX 1000. Pretty simple. You need an 8mm and a 5mm. Take this bolt right here out of the Mercy brake bracket. Before I loosen these up, take the 8mm out of the bottom here. This loosens this up where you can get it out. This takes this out where you can pry it up. Spin that forward. Take it out. Spray your piston here with a little bit of spray. I don't know if you can see this with a video camera. Put it up out of the way. Let it sit there for a minute. Take your old brake pads, slide them out. Make sure you don't lose your clips to hold them in. You have to have those. Put a light in here. All right. Try to clean everything out here if possible. Take the new pads, slide them back in there. Make sure they go in your clips. Voila. Take your caliper, take a pair of pliers, put them in your piston, turn it and push it down. The piston will go in as you spin it and push. Make sure that your piston, it has these little notches in it. You want to turn it with the notch facing the bottom and the other facing the top. The reason is you have this little tit here on your brake pad that has to sit in there. See, when you come back, put this back in here like so. Once it's past your pads, you stick that back down. Take your 8mm Allen head, put it back in. Give it a little snug, tight. Take your 5mm Allen head, put it back in your Mercy brake bracket. Reason you loosen this up is so you can have some room to move it around some, so it's not so tight. Just run that back in. Pull the bottoms out. Voila, give it a little snug, and you're finished. That fast to change the brake pads on the back of a KRX 1000. Thanks for watching. How about giving me a subscribe and some likes? Thanks.